Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. Welcome to Cook with Haseeba. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make simple veg thali. Now this is a glimpse of the smoothie which I made today morning. This is nothing but a banana and apple smoothie with some malai kulfi. Here I have chopped one banana, one apple peeled and sliced, added into a blender with 2 tablespoons of malai kulfi ice cream, 1 glass of full fat milk. Give it a blend, and yes, your smoothie for the day is ready. I garnished the smoothie with some blueberries, and this was the final look. Getting into the video. Now for the simple veg thali, I made basmati rice, PepperRasam, Gobi 65, some fried papad and a ready-made garlic pickle. Now for the rice, I have taken 1.5 glass of basmati rice. Wash it well. Now you have to wash the rice 3 to 4 times and rinse the water. Now the water in the rice should be clear. Only then the rice has been washed properly. Soak it for 10 to 15 minutes. And now on a gas stove, I am placing the utensil and I am adding 1 tablespoon of salt to this. Giving a mix. Cover the lid and cook the rice for few minutes. Now the best part is, to know the rice is cooked or not, you have to take a single granule of rice, press it gently. Half of the rice should be easily softened. Then drain out the water and put back the rice into the same utensil. Now the best way of cooking basmati rice is, you have to always cook it in a open wide utensil. If you are cooking it in a cooker, it will get too sticky. So make sure you are cooking basmati rice in an open container. Now for the ratio of rice and water is 1:3. As I am straining out the water, I need more water. Keep the flame as low as possible. Place back the utensil and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes to drain out the remaining water in the rice. Within 1 or 2 minutes, the water in the rice will be soaked properly. And now as you can see, the rice is perfectly cooked the way I wanted it. Now every granule of rice is separate from each other. Now this is actually the way to cook basmati rice. I immediately marinated the batter for Gobi 65. Now the ingredients here are 250 grams of gobi, ginger and garlic paste, coriander powder, chili powder, garam masala powder, corn flour, chicken or Maggi masala, salt and turmeric. You can adjust the spices accordingly. Here on a pan, I have kept gobi to half boil. Now you have to make sure the steam of the gobi is completely gone. Only then you can mix it in a batter and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. As the gobi was resting there, I added some oil in a pan for deep frying the gobi and then placed the gobi one by one in the pan. Now make sure the flame is high here while placing the gobi. After placing the gobi, you can lower the flame. Until my gobi was being fried, I quickly arranged the ingredients for PepperRasam. 2 teaspoons of pepper, 4 teaspoons of jeera, 4 to 5 garlic clove, some sliced onion, lemon-sized tamarind pulp, curry leaves, coriander leaves, turmeric and salt. Now for the garnishing, I used curry leaves, mustard seeds and some hing. That's asafoetida. In a mixer jar, add all the ingredients except the garnishing ingredient and tamarind pulp and coriander leaves. Give it a gentle blend and then add the remaining ingredients except the tamarind pulp, because we are going to add it later. Add some water to this and mix it roughly. Usually we don't add too much water in the rasam while blending, because every particle in the rasam should be visible. Give it a gentle blend. Now in a pan I am adding some oil. Once the oil is heated up, I am adding the garnishing ingredients, that is asafoetida, mustard seeds and curry leaves. Mixing well. I'm immediately adding the grinded masala. Now we have to roast the masala until the oil separates. Adding some salt and turmeric for taste. Now make sure you are roasting this masala until the oil gets separated. Only then our rasam will be good to taste. As you can see, the oil is being separated. I'm going to add some tamarind pulp to this. Now you have to separate the pulp properly so that there shouldn't be any tamarind seeds in the rasam. Now again, you have to cook the tamarind pulp until the oil gets separated. This is actually the secret to make rasam. In a hurry, some people just add the masala and some water and then make the rasam ready. No, that's not the way. You have to cook the masala until the oil gets separated. And I'm adding 750 ml of water to this batter. And here my gobi was getting ready. As you can see, it has got such a beautiful color. If you want, you can add some food color too. That's completely optional. I just avoid adding food colors in my recipes. After cooking both the sides, I am placing out the gobi. You can dish out the gobi as soon as it's fried. Now here I kept rasam for one boil. As you can see, after one boil you can just switch off the flame and dish it out. Now this was the final look of Gobi 65 and this was my thali for the day. If you want me to share more such simple and easy recipes, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also share my videos to your near and dear ones. Thanks for watching. I have given the individual recipe link in the description. Please do have a look.